Today we're talking about how to get rich. One of my favorite topics is money and how to make a lot of money, and that's one of the things I know about very well with real estate. So if you're out there, you're trying to figure out how to get rich, how to make money, how to become a millionaire, that's something I can talk to you about because I've actually done it. Hey guys, Angelo Christian, what's going on guys? Today we're talking about how to get rich. One of my favorite topics is money and how to make a lot of money, and that's one of the things I know about very well with real estate. So if you're out there, you're trying to figure out how to get rich, how to make money, how to become a millionaire, that's something I can talk to you about because I've actually done it. Right? And so I'm going to give you my method, my formula, because there's a lot of bullshit out there in the world right now on social media that if you just post some flashy pictures or you just show some, you at the beach or with your cars, that you're going to get a bunch of followers, that you can make a lot of money and live this fake life. It's not about that, right? It's about you hustling, you grinding it out, you adding value in the marketplace for whatever your business is, all right, and helping people to change their lives and transform, and then you can make a lot of money. I'm gonna lay out my formula on what we do here at my company, and maybe you wanna get into real estate, maybe you wanna be in real estate, maybe you wanna be an agent, maybe you wanna be in lending, and you wanna add value to help people with home ownership and funding and lending and doing all types of deals all over the country. Real estate is a $1 trillion industry. Lending is a $1 trillion industry. So the point that I want to make though is that there's a lot of people out there, they don't know what to do. They get in a shitload of student loan debt, hundreds of thousands of dollars of student loan debt, and then they go work at some job making 20 bucks an hour and they think that's their life. No, that's not the way it works, okay? And you can't look at these people on Instagram or YouTube or Facebook, they're posting all this crap and they have this fake life. That's not what it's about. You got to live your life on your terms and you want to add value. That's how you're going to get rich, guys. And so I'm going to talk about some of the systematic ways that how I do it. We built a real estate university, and the link is actually down below in my YouTube channel, and you can check out my real estate university. I actually teach you guys how to become a top producer with real estate, and that's the way to do it. I'm going to talk about how you can actually make a lot of money with a career. You got to get your career right. You got to get your money right. Okay. Once you get your money right, then you can create dividend cash flow income. So this is a very, very important thing. Is the first step that you have to do is you have to create a career where you can get your money right? So you can create a fountain, a geyser of money where it's just gushing, where you have uncapped income. And sales is one of the best ways to do that. If you hate sales, you ain't gonna get rich. 70% of the world's billionaires and millionaires are obsessed with sales. Look at Jeff Bezos with Amazon, master salesman, right? Look at Elon Musk with Tesla. Look at Apple, master in sales. Look at Netflix, masters. So you have to love sales, and you have to be able to be comfortable with dealing with people's objections and their drama and know how to overcome that and close that and deal with all their stuff so you can close the sale, close the deal, add value to the people that you're trying to help so that you can make their life better, and then you can get a commission off of it. If you don't like commission, if you don't like profit, you're not gonna get rich. You're just gonna have a regular job like everyone else out there in the world. So you need to change the way you're thinking and reprogram your mind. Sales is the way to get rich, and you have to love sales. You have to be able to close a deal, whether you're in real estate like me, I can help you with that through Real Estate University, or you're doing some other type of sales. Maybe it's pharmaceutical sales. Maybe you're a server, maybe you're a bartender, all right? You gotta get your attitude and your mind right, and if you wanna become rich, that's the first thing is the right psychology. Right? A winning attitude, a positive can-do attitude. Nobody wants to deal with a dumbass or a rude person that's always down or negative. So this is the first thing, is getting the mind right so you can get rich. And then adding value. Whatever you're doing, like what we do, we add value at my company every single day. Closing on restaurant deals, closing on apartments, car washes, veterans closing on their homes, first-time buyers, doing millions of dollars of business every single day. Get into real estate like me. Sign up for Real Estate University. It's only 99 bucks a month. Or wherever else you want to do it at. You can click on the link below or call my office to get signed up for Real Estate University, or go to someone else's university and learn it. But learn how to sell. People love real estate. They're always buying houses, whether you're in California, Hawaii, Florida, Texas. People are always going to want to make a deal with lending. They want to cash out, refinance, they need a loan. Hey, that's a great way to add value to the marketplace. Just make sure whatever you're doing that you're adding value, and then that's how you're going to get rich. Get your money right, You need to make a lot of money with your career. Once you get your money right, the other thing is that you have to make sure that you're watching your cost of living, your expenses. You don't want to be blowing, you live paycheck to paycheck. You need to be able to save some money so you can invest that money. So that's the second part of this, is that make a lot of money with your career, okay? And when I'm saying make a lot of money, I mean, if you're in sales, you need to be making 6 or 7 figures, all right, if you're in sales. It ain't gonna work, anything else other than that. You have to sell, you have to make deals, whatever you're doing, whether you're selling cruises, you're selling cars, you're selling packages, pharmaceuticals, mortgages, lending, whatever, houses. Sell a lot of them, build a systematic, streamlined process like we do at my company so you can scale it and close a lot of deals, because you just can't close 1 or 2 deals. You need to close 20, 50, 100, 1,000 deals so you can make a lot of money. So get the career right, make a lot of money. That's the second step. First step is get the mind right, then get the career right so you can make a lot of money. And then the third step is you need to be able to have investment funds so you can invest, so you can have mailbox money, right? So because your dividend, your passive income should actually exceed your job income, right? Like for example, I own a lot of apartment complexes. So my goal is to have my passive income exceed my job, my career income, right? So when I leave this earth, I can pass that on to my family and they'll be good for the rest of their life. Apartment complexes, rental income from housing is the best way to go. Okay, I don't know anything better than that, other than if you invest in, there is some things, I'm really big into the market, you guys know that. I have a hedge fund that I run. There's different real estate investment trusts. There's different MLPs that you can get high yields, but that's a little bit more complicated. There's high yield junk bonds and different things that, instruments that you can actually invest in to get a very high yield. But something more simpler is investing in real estate, right? But you have to have money to do that. You have to have a lot of money, right? Because let's say you want to buy an apartment complex and it's $3 million and you have to put down at least 25% to get that apartment complex. That's 750 grand. Where are you going to get that 750 grand from? You're going to have to partner up and create a partnership with people to be able to do that. And then over time, you can own several thousand of them. And that's my goal. That's what I'm doing, right? I'm accumulating apartment complexes because I want my passive income to greatly outpace my career income. So, but you can't do that if your career's not right and your money's not right. So after you get your money right from your job and you're making a buttload of money, then you can invest some of that money. If you're not blowing it all, right, and buying stupid crap, stop buying stupid crap and wasting your money on shit, and actually you can get a nice size of investment capital to actually invest, in a deal, right, into an apartment fund. I mean, like look at, for example, Grant Cardone, he has a real estate fund. You can invest in his real estate fund. But if you're broke, you can't do that, right? So the thing is that you got to get the money right so you can actually invest. You need to have a good amount of money, but you can't do that if you're not making money from your job. So that's the third pillar here to get rich, is find an investment vehicle that can give you a return. You want a return of at least, double-digit return, 10%, 20%, that's realistic, that's secure. Real estate is very secure, it's very low risk. An apartment complexes, people are always gonna need a place to live. So that's my strategy for you guys out there. It's very simple, it's very clear cut, have multiple flows of income, passive income, career income, make a huge amount of money from your job. Step 3, invest that money in apartment complexes or housing, property flipping, whatever you can do that is very simple for you to understand. It's not overly complicated. And then that way you can get a return on your money. So I'm Angelo Christian. I've been in the real estate game for over 15 years, done billions of dollars of business, helped tens of thousands of people. If you want to get signed up for Real Estate University, the link's down below. It's $99 a month. We'd love to change your career. Hey, for $99 a month, you can make 20 grand a month. That's a good trade-off. If you say no, you're scared, you don't want to do it, then that means you don't believe in yourself. You need to pull out that credit card, get signed up for it, make an investment in yourself, double down on your own mind, so that way you can get the knowledge or skills to become rich and then take your life to the next level. And you don't have to do my course, you can do someone else's course. It doesn't matter, I don't care where you go, but learn the skills so that way you can have uncapped income potential, sell and close deals, right? Make a ton of money and then invest that money in things that you understand that are simple, that offer a decent return. And that's the recipe, guys. It's very simple. The richest man in Babylon, that's what they talk about, right? Very simple. Invest that money, do it wisely, live below your means, right? And then once you have, passive income that outpaces your career income, yeah, you can splurge, get nice cars, nice houses, no problem, but do it in the right time. Timing is everything. Just like when you plant crops, you make a cake, the sequence is what matters. So anyway, if you have any other questions, let me know. Check out my podcast. You click on the link below to get subscribe to all of our information. Share this with the universe, the world. I love to talk to you guys. Whatever we can do to help you, to add value to your life. If you want to get signed up for the university, become a top producer, click on the link below. I'm Angelo Christian. Take care, guys, and peace out. Make the most of yourself. Bye-bye.